How to fix TikTok video under review problem. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like TikTok video under review problem. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the TikTok app with your account. So once you open the TikTok app with your logged in account, you will got such interface. So now from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. And now from here, tap on three line just at the top right corner. Okay, so from here, tap on setting and privacy. And now from the setting and privacy, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go with the option like report our problem. So simply tap on that. Okay, so from this section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go with the option like chat with us. So simply tap on that. Alright, so from this section TikTok support, you'll have to explain your problem in briefly like your TikTok video is under review, so you want to solve this problem. So you can make a simple request from here to the TikTok support team. So after you made a request from here, the TikTok support team will truly contact you and provide you the procedure to solve this problem. And from there, you'll be able to fix that problem. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.